Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing a review and demo on an eyeshadow palette or a pressed glitter palette from Kara Beauty. This is a brand I haven't heard of before, and they have a lot of affordable products. So I have the palette here, and then I have this some eyelashes from them, the Wispy ones, and they only cost $1. The palette itself only costs $10.99. So this is a really affordable brand, and I'm excited to share it with you guys, to share how I did this glittery look, share a demo. I'm gonna swatch every single pressed shadow for you guys. I'm gonna tell you as much information as I possibly can, and yeah, just give you my full thoughts and bring awareness to this cool brand because it's super cheap. So before we get started though, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos, and you can come back and hang out with me in my next video as well. So let's just jump straight into it. Kara Beauty, it's super affordable. They are sold on the website Ikatehouse, and I will link the website off down below as well as the products down below so you can go check it out. Basically, this website has a bunch of super affordable products. They have a good range of products, but you can find a lot of affordable brands on there as well, and Kara Beauty is one of them. So the palette I'm talking about today is the ES381 Galaxy palette, and it comes in a sleeve like this, and then here is the palette itself. Again, very like glittery, silvery, very smooth, and the glitter isn't going to come off, you guys, so it's not going to be messy, but just the packaging itself is just gorgeous. So this packaging reminds me a lot of the ColourPop packaging, and it's just that kind of like cardboard, sturdy, thin. It has a magnetic opening. You can see how good it is. It's like hard for me to open it. It does have a mirror, a huge mirror, and then it has 15 pressed glitter shadows. So the glitter is just pressed in there instead of having it in loose form, which is great to travel with, and it's more convenient to store than having little pots. I think so. And these eyeshadow pans are definitely twice as big as the ColourPop ones, so you can kind of see next to each other, and you can kind of get a good view of the size of these. Now, Kara Beauty has a lot of pressed glitter shadow palettes. They have bigger ones. This one caught my eye because the colors are beautiful. I love the pinks in here and the silveries, and they just have a good range of colors in this one, and it just is more convenient to store, and it just looks beautiful. So I'm really excited. We're gonna swatch these for you guys first so you can see what the colors look like, see the glitters up close. So yeah, let's do that. So the main thing that I love about these is how travel friendly it is, or just realistic it is. You don't really want to have glitter pots. So having the glitter pressed in here so you can get to it, and it's not like a glitter pot, it's not super messy. I really like that. I dug into these two shades today and a little bit of this one over here, and it didn't get messy around the pan. It didn't get messy around like the space that I was at, and I really like that. You guys saw when I was dipping my finger in there how you can really just sticks to your finger and you can swatch it. But don't be fooled, you guys. These are pressed glitter. It's glitter that's been pressed in there. It does not have a glitter base in there. Sometimes I know with the Wet n Wild like little glitter singles, it's basically glitter on top of like a Vaseline type of base. This is not like that. This is just all glitter pressed in there. So you are going to need a glitter base to keep it on your eye so it doesn't flake everywhere. So In today's look, I basically used this e.l.f. glitter primer, pressed it on, and then I pressed the glitters on top, and then I used a little bit of primer to press on top after it kind of dried, and to just seal the glitter there so it's not streaming down my face all day long. Because it's another thing about glitter, it's sucky whenever you have glitter eyeshadow all over your face by the end of the night. These won't do that if you use a glitter base and then you pack a little bit of the glitter base on top whenever you're done with the look. It'll just kind of seal the glitter in there, which I really, really like. So these are just absolutely amazing, but they're not a little bit of glitter on top of Vaseline like a lot of little glitter eyeshadows sometimes can be. This is just pure glitter pressed in here. So I really, really love that. It was not messy and it just worked really, really well. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush. I used today, and I'll show you, we'll go to the demo in here in a second, but I used the number 4 brush to kind of pack it on, and I used it for the glitter base and I used it to pack it on. You can use your finger, but this is literally a brush that I got from Walmart in a crafting brush set. They're blue like this, you'll notice them, they're big pack, and they're super, super cheap. And I really, really love these. So this was like a perfect brush to get in there and to do that. Like I said, these glitters will last all day and they won't be flaking off on your eyes or on your face as long as you do use a really good glitter base. But just like any other glitter, it will flake off all over the place if you don't use a glitter base, so make sure that you use it. I also tried the Kara eyelashes, 100% human wispy lashes, and I really love these. I love wispy lashes because they're great for a dramatic look like this. They give you a little bit of a wisp and you can see your lashes there, but they're also great for no makeup days, for when your eyeshadow is super natural, when you have no eyeshadow on and you just want something on your lashes to just make you look put together and beautiful. And these are my favorite type of lashes to do that with. And I will show you guys right now how when I have no makeup on or when I have light makeup on and nothing on my eyes, the lashes just look so beautiful and they just look really, really nice. And the band is thin enough that you can be able to use them when you don't have a liquid eyeliner on, which is great, which is one of my favorite things. These are also really, really flexible, and I like when they're flexible but they still hold their shape, so I can flex them to make them more curved, and when I do, they'll just stay like that. They're not going to straighten out again whenever I let go of them. So they're flexible enough so that you can manipulate them, but they'll stay in that position whenever you do so, and then you can apply it on your eyes. So these eyelashes are really nice. They're really easy to use. I love how thin the band is, and they're only $1, you guys. That's amazing. You guys know I love my Cocoa lashes. These are easier to put on than my Cocoa lashes, and these are only $1. So I really, really, really do like them. So I give those a thumbs up. I give that palette a thumbs up. I think that if you're looking for a glitter palette, this is a good one to try. Also, some of their other ones that they have on the website, you can go check those out, but I really, really do love them. So let's go to the demo. You can see how I used them, how I applied them, and that whole thing. So let's go do that right now. Okay, so here we go. This is just the coolest packaging ever. I love it so much. It is so cool. So we'll see what we're gonna do today. I'm not quite sure still. But can we just talk about the colors in here? The mirror, so sturdy and beautiful. Anyways, so let's get started. So I'm getting into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which I'm gonna have a review on pretty soon, you guys. If you're interested in that, give me a like. I'm gonna get into Hell Ride, which is right here. It's like a purpley, deeper color. And I'm gonna start putting that into the crease lightly. I think I want to use that like duochrome glitter. So it's like a duochrome grayish glitter. So I think if I do like a pinky eye, that it will look really good. And I'm using my Sigma E38 brush. Then I'm gonna get into Punk and Hellride together. And I'm gonna deepen the crease here for a second. And then I'm gonna get a little bit into Wild Heart to make it more purpley. And go back up here, kind of in the transition area. Make sure that it shows purpley. So I'm gonna get a bit into Radio right here, and I'm gonna put that in this outer V. The same brush. It's okay if it's messy because I'm going to go back in with a wipe and just kind of clean it all up. I'm going to get into Breakaway right here with a teeny brush. Even in the inner part of the eyelid, I think I'm going to do. I'm just making sure that the lines are blended really well. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a flat brush, kind of like this, and I'm gonna get a little bit of the e.l.f. glitter primer and put it on the lid with the brush. I'm gonna do one at a time, one lid at a time. And then I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is that duochromy, like, interesting color. I'm just gonna use that same brush that I used for the glue. Yeah, this is like a rainbow beautifulness. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. This particular color, I always knew, like, what, this is the first time I'm actually using this particular color. Okay, and I'm gonna try to go into this one next to it on this outer part. That looks freaking so cool, you guys. Let's see if I can add a tiny bit of like this purple in the center, if it's gonna jack it up. Looks cool. Okay, so I barely dabbed my finger into it, and I used a little bit of that pink in the inner, like in the halo, like a halo eye kind of. Okay, so now let's pop on some lashes, because I don't think putting an eyeliner, let's see if I can put an eyeliner over top of this, but honestly I don't know how well that's gonna work out. But this is just let's use a gel eyeliner. Let's try this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris gel eyeliner, and I'm using the Winged Liner EO6 brush from Sigma. Teeny brush. This is the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. Let's see if we just need like a really creamy eyeliner. Okay, so now we're gonna do the lashes. These are the Cara eyelashes. They're 100% human hair, and these are the Wispy style, which is one of my favorite styles ever. It's just something I feel like you can wear in a dramatic eye look or in a natural eye look, and it looks good. So this is kind of what it looks like. Really just beautiful. So I popped those lashes on and I cleaned up any glitter that may have fell. I'm going to finish the rest of the face and kind of fast forward it, but I'll link everything that I used down below so you can kind of see what I used to pair up the finishing look of this. But yeah, let's do it. So I really like the palette. It's only $10.99. I really like the lashes. They're only $1. You guys, these are great to try if you're trying to try something. And the Kara brand themselves are pretty affordable and they look like they have some really cool stuff. So also I wanted to share with you guys this website. So it's Ikatehouse, and the cool thing about this is this kind of reminds me of Shop Miss A or like those other websites that have the dollar makeup line. So they have their $1 beauty shop that you can kind of click down and look at and see like all this makeup for $1, kind of like Shop Miss A. So let me know if you guys want me to kind of go just on their dollar spot and like buy things and try them out for you guys in a video. Give me a like if you want me to do that. And they also have a bunch of different brands as well, like Kara Beauty brands that you haven't heard of that are really, really good. And they have LA Splash, LA Colors, they have Jordana, they have LA Girl, they have NYX, they have other brands as well that are affordable as well on their website. So if you're shopping for something like that, you can also go there. Ikatehouse, I'll link it below, as well as these products that I used. But oh, you guys, they're really, really good. So I hope you go check them out. It's cool to see and to bring awareness to things that other people aren't talking about. Some other cool, affordable options out there for you guys. You don't have to just buy at Ulta and Sephora and Walmart and Walgreens. Like, there's other places that you can go and other websites that have really cool unknown brands and have affordable products and have some of the brands that we know that are affordable or some of the brands that we just know on there that you can kind of go and just see a bunch of different things. So I thought that was really cool, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know if you guys want me to go on their dollar spot, kind of like I did on Shop Miss A, and kind of try things. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me and for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.